In this question, the motive is to solve for the number and let the unknown be x. So here we can write unknown and now it will be here written as x. So we can write an equation with the help of this particular x and it will be here x. Now it is multiplied with 6, 1 and here it will be 6 and this is equals to 4 and then it is 5. Now it will be here 9. So these are written in mixed fractions and hence if we convert these mixed fractions then it will be here, let's write 37 divided by 6 and that is equals to, it is here 41 and